responsibilities in every shift. And there's also Yakin, which starts with 9 p.m. until 7 a.m. Then I think Irish is doing Naga Yakin, which is long night shift, which starts from 4 p.m. today, and she will go home tomorrow 10 a.m. It's a very long shift. But after that, there's a day off. But for me, wala pa akong Yakin and Naga Yakin. Usually right now, I do also bang, which is ako yung nagpapatulog na sa mga matatanda. Pagdating ng Yakin, nakatulog na sila.
Correct. All right. Well, thank you so much for that shared experiences. Do you have foreign co-workmates? How are they? Are they good or bad? And can you please tell us what kind of foreigners are they in your area,
In my area,
destination area?
There's the Japanese. Let's start with the Japanese kasi sila naman yung nandun. The Japanese, some of them they really act friendly, but it's because they want you to see them as friendly. But as all I can say, yung mga Japanese, kailangan mong maging maingat sa kanila.